Mine is about fraud at placement.
Uganda's insurance sector is grappling with fraud, which is negatively affecting the insurance business.
As we tackle it, the fraudsters become more and more cleverer, if I can call it that. So it's moved from a claims-based, what the regulator was talking about. Now they're moving into the underwriting, which means they plan it from day one. Before they actually come to the insurance company to place cover, they actually plan and it's going to be fraudulent. They'll place cover, let the policy run for some time, and then come and claim. So that's what makes it a lot more complex, which means we have to detect it at source.
As the regulator and the sector players brainstorm on curbing this scam, it is believed that the fraudsters also converge, brainstorm and lay new strategies to defraud the industry. In order to control and prevent fraud, insurance companies are urged to limit human contact and make use of the digital platforms and also implement fraud risks.
The fraud risks should be consistently implemented in your companies, in each one of you's companies, because when you do not do that, you end up paying out what you wouldn't have paid. It is therefore important that each one of us addresses the issues of fraud.
Insurance sector players say that people with means are also involved in the scam.
So what happens is, as you discover one way of fraud, they change it. And how are they doing that? They're having meetings to discuss what was discovered altogether. What happened? How did they find out? How did they grab you? So in the process, they come up with ways of beating that. So that's why I was saying we must be smarter in the fight against fraud.
Apparently, motor vehicle insurance is the most vulnerable.
Cars are becoming a bit tricky for some of them. They're going to import used old machinery in China, insuring it highly, and either to break down, machinery breakdown, or fire. And again, you see the value is so high. Our assessors don't have the capabilities to tell the values of those some machineries.
According to the regulator IRA, more fraudulent claims have been reported in 2019 compared to last year. Dennis Ikoa for UBC Business.